Welcome to Delaware Dumpster Rentals, your trusted partner for residential dumpster rental in Wilmington, Delaware. As a family-owned business, we bring a personal touch to our services. We specialize in dumpster rental and junk removal. Our local roots make us Wilmington's preferred choice. Whether it's home renovation or yard cleanup, we're here to help. We offer reliable and affordable waste disposal services. Our environmentally friendly practices ensure responsible disposal. We aim to exceed your expectations with every rental. We offer the residential dumpster rental renovations, repairs, remodels, and more. Our roll-off bins are perfectly sized for various household projects, including garage decluttering, kitchen renovations, landscaping, and seasonal cleanups. At Delaware Dumpster Rentals, we provide a convenient and safe way to manage waste, ensuring your home stays tidy and clutter-free during your cleanout, repair, or any other exciting project. Fast and friendly service is our commitment to you. We ensure prompt and efficient delivery and pickup year-round. Our friendly team is ready to assist with your rental needs. Enjoy a seamless experience from start to finish. Book your residential dumpster rental with us today. Call us at 302-463-9000 for quick and efficient waste removal, or visit our website at www.delawaredumpsterrentals.com. Delaware Dumpster Rentals, your local experts in waste management. Efficient, reliable, and eco-friendly.